Once upon a time in the town of Sprinkleville, there was a tiny bakery called Sweetie's Treats. It was run by a cheerful woman named Grandma, who made the yummiest donuts in the whole wide world. Every morning, the smell of warm, sugary donuts floated through the air. People from all around came to try her famous treats, jelly-filled, chocolate-glazed, and even rainbow-sprinkled. One day, a curious little squirrel named Nibby peeked into the bakery window. "I wish I could taste just one," he sighed. Grandma saw him and smiled. "Would you like to try a donut, little one?" Nibby nodded excitedly. She handed him a mini nutty donut made just for squirrels. Nibby took a tiny bite and squeaked, "This is the yummiest thing ever." Word spread fast. Soon, animals from all over the forest lined up politely outside the bakery. Grandma baked special tiny donuts for each of them, honey glazed for the bees, acorn donuts for the deer, and berry filled for the birds. From that day on, every morning in Sprinkleville was filled with smiles, laughter, and the sweet scent of the yummiest donuts ever.